Good morning. Today's vlog is going to be out at the 80 acres. Woo! It's Sunday morning and I am out at my land. As you can see behind me is the majority of it. There's some out front. But today we're going to talk about some of the things I'll be doing also more on the channel and go over some of the stuff I'm going to do today. So today I'm going to go through everything I got. I went and bought a shovel because I'm probably going to need to dig some land out here or dig some stuff. So that ought to be fun. Oh, it's not too bad. No, it's not too bad. My car is a trooper, by the way. This thing, it may be low to the ground and it's scary going over some of these bumps, but it's got all-wheel drive, and you can tell all four wheels are just trying to get me up to do this dirt road, and that's what I'm on right now. This one actually goes through the middle, but this car is a trooper. Get the Golf R if you can. Next, I got this thing. This is a machete. This thing looks really intimidating. I don't know if it's any good or not, but that's quite impressive. I don't know how sharp it is either. I haven't tested it, so we'll be trying that today. Should be fun. Also brought a saw. I don't know if I'm going to need this. Where am I supposed to put you? I guess I'll put you over here. Got a saw. There's cacti all over the place. In fact, they're like trees. But and there's cedar trees, or maybe they're pine trees. I don't know. In Texas, they look like cedar trees. Here, they smell a little bit different, so maybe they're pine. But what happened is, I guess they're like bushes. They haven't grown up. They've grown sideways. That happens in Texas also when you have cedar trees and you mow over them, and you don't let them grow up. When you mow over them, they sprout out sideways. Terrible. Then, of course, I've got the ultimate knife, my BK7. Isn't that cool? I tried it yesterday. Got a little disappointed in it. I think it's too big, if that's possible. But anyway, I got a rubber mallet. You know, anytime you can use a rubber mallet is a good day. But in case I needed something a little bit harder, I did bring a regular hammer. I've got these solar lights. They're not on. I need to set them up. But the sun's over there, by the way. And I guess when it comes over, charges it up, it's got a little battery in there, and I need to I guess I need to do something here to make that happen. I'd have to read the instructions, but anyway, who wants to read instructions? Not me. I got 12 of those. Last but not least, I've got this. I don't know what just fell. I got this. This is a 300-foot tape measure with a crank. I'm going to go ahead and try and mark off where I want things to be. And as you saw last time, I'm terrible with distances. So this should help me out, I think. And so, you know, I've got some spikes for it here. Oh, yeah, shout out to Home Depot. Also got a regular tape measure. But I got some spikes, so I'll be putting these into the ground. Thus, the need for a mallet or a hammer. So I'm going to start at the aqueduct, kind of measure out the 800. I'm sorry, I told you guys 3 football fields. It's 840 feet that way, and 890 or 880 on the top. I don't know. I need to get the place surveyed and have someone out here do it correctly. But for now, I'm going to do it on my own, see if I can guesstimate where things are supposed to be, and then try and figure out how I'm going to do this dirt road and have it go all the way up to the property. Nice. This is officially my favorite tool. Found some rope on the property. Going to use it to haul all that cactus that I just chopped down with the machete. So let's see how well the BK7 works. Just to test it out. scares me, man. Wow. That's like butter. Oh my gosh. I thought that was going to be a lot harder, but... Okay, this is my second favorite tool. Awesome. Okay, let's check out the saw now. This is a... this part's dead in this cactus. This part's good. Let's check it out. Let's see. See? Now it's dead. Not as good as a machete. Or not as fun, I should say. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will talk to you next time. Thanks. Bye.